Hey guys, Bryer here with Team Winnebagoland. I'm a sales guy here and I've got roughly 18 years of experience in the off-road industry. This here is my 2020 RZR Pro XP4. I'm here to give you some hints and tips to keep you going on the trail. So here I am trying to keep up with Luke, and I noticed something's weird with my machine. Get out to see what's going on, and I noticed I got a flat tire. Luckily for me, I've experienced this before, so I have packed in my toolbox an air compressor and a tire plug kit. The first thing you're going to want to do is get your air compressor hooked up to your tire. If you don't want to kill your battery, make sure to keep your machine running while running your air compressor. If you don't have your own air compressor, our parts department has the Slime air compressor for $69.99. As you're filling your tire, you might notice that you have a slight leak. That probably means your tire is punctured somewhere. So to fix that, you're going to need a plug kit. We have those for $10.99. Stop in and see the parts department for one of these as well. I have my own here. It comes with these two tools, the plugs themselves, and rubber cement. Once you find your puncture, you're going to want to insert this tool into that puncture, like so. It's really important to do this while the tire has air pressure in it. That's how it's going to work the best. You're going to push this in and out of that puncture multiple times to make a nice rough surface for the plug and the glue to adhere to. When you're done with that, you're going to grab this tool. You're going to grab a plug. Thread it into this slot like you're threading a needle. Like so. After that, you're going to take your rubber cement and put a little bit on each end. Then you're going to take this tool with a firm grip and shove it into the puncture. These two ends are going to come up like this. You're going to want to push the plug in to about right here. Give it a few spins and pull quickly. When you pull, the plug will come out of the tool and be stuck in that puncture hole like so. Now, depending on how big your puncture is, you might require more than one plug. You'll notice air seeping out of the puncture, and if you can hear the air, you need another plug. Just like that, in about 5 to 10 minutes, I'm back on the trail. I'm off to the corn roast. See you Saturday.